It's simply a super concentrate for the health of your hair. Hello everyone! Today we're going to make onion oil for hair growth. Onion oil contains sulfur, which is necessary for the synthesis of keratin, so it can help strengthen hair and promote its growth. It moisturizes the scalp and nourishes the follicles, which helps reduce hair breakage and maintain hair health. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of the oil help keep the scalp clean and prevent irritation, creating favorable conditions for hair growth. Also, with regular use, this oil makes hair shiny and smooth. To prepare this healing hair oil, you will need the following ingredients. 1 onion. If you have small onions, use 2 small ones. I use red onion, but you can use any type of onion you have in your kitchen. I like red onion. It seems sweet to me. I often eat it and add it to salads. In hair masks, onion improves blood circulation in the scalp, which enhances nourishment of the hair follicles and stimulates hair growth. 300 grams of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes the scalp, softens the hair, forms a protective film, and helps distribute the mask's active ingredients. 5 tablespoons of curry leaves. Curry leaves have anti-inflammatory properties, improve blood circulation, and accelerate hair growth. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. Fenugreek helps reduce hair breakage and loss and supports hair growth thanks to its nutrients and chitosan compounds. 1 tablespoon of black cumin seeds. Black cumin is rich in active substances that support scalp health and may promote hair growth due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Rosemary stimulates microcirculation in the scalp and also accelerates hair growth. You can use 1 or 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary for this oil. Let's move on to the process of making the oil. Chop the onion and place it in a saucepan. Add the curry leaves there as well. Blend the black cumin seeds using a blender attachment so they release their beneficial properties more effectively. You can grind the seeds using a blender or a coffee grinder. Carefully place the ground seeds with the fragrant curry leaves. Then gently add the earthy fenugreek, the aromatic rosemary, and a touch of coconut oil. Place the pot in a water bath for 30 minutes. This will slowly heat the mixture and allow the active ingredients to infuse into the oil. All the ingredients should be completely covered with oil. Then cover with a lid and let it infuse overnight. This way, the aromas and beneficial substances will infuse into the oil even better. In the morning, the oil will have become rich and darker. It's simply a super concentrate for the health of your hair. Strain it through cheesecloth. Carefully squeeze out the oil to get as much liquid as possible without any solid particles. Store the oil in a glass jar at room temperature. Its shelf life is about 6 months. Now I'll show you how to properly use this oil on your hair. First, you need to brush your hair to separate it and make it easier to apply the oil. Then, starting along the partings, rub in the oil. Do this gradually so the oil covers every centimeter of your scalp. If you have areas where your hair is thinning, make sure to rub the oil in more thoroughly on those spots. After applying it to your scalp, give yourself a gentle massage. Place your fingertips on your scalp and gently massage in circular motions over the entire area. Start by massaging your temples, then move to the crown area and the back of your head. The massage should be slow and gentle. Continue massaging each area for 2 to 5 minutes to boost blood flow and help the oil penetrate the skin and deliver its nutrients. Don't press too hard. Our goal is comfort and stimulating blood circulation, not causing pain. After massaging my scalp with my hands, I like to use this massager with silicone bristles. It gently massages the scalp, and believe me, it feels really nice. I only ever use this particular kind of facial massager when I am applying oil-based masks, as it works most effectively with them. Now let's move on to applying the oil to the length of your hair. You can apply the oil to the entire length or just focus on the scalp and roots. But from personal experience, it's better to apply it to the length as well. This way, your hair will look smoother and shinier. People often say that the smell of onion lingers after using the mask. I've applied fresh onion and made other masks with onion before. I want to tell you that the smell goes away quite quickly. There's a simple way to minimize the smell. I'll show you how to do that a bit later. But I definitely recommend making a hair mask with onion, because after this mask, your hair becomes very soft and shiny, and it also grows faster. This happens because onion saturates the scalp with sulfur-containing compounds and stimulates blood flow to the follicles, which improves the supply of nutrients to the hair roots. This promotes shine and accelerates hair growth. I use a comb to distribute the oil along the entire length of my hair. The comb helps apply the oil to every strand. If you missed applying oil somewhere, the comb will help fix that. I believe it's essential to comb your hair whenever you do oiling. You can keep the mask on for 2 hours or leave it overnight for deeper penetration of the active ingredients. In the mask, I use coconut oil. It is a penetrating oil, fills in damage in the hair shaft, and makes the hair stronger. You can see other penetrating oils in the first column of the table. Such oils need to be left on the hair for at least 8 hours so that the oil molecules have time to penetrate the hair shaft. That's why leaving the mask on overnight is an excellent solution. While the mask is on my hair, I'll prepare a rinse that helps remove the smell of onion from the hair. This rinse also supports the health of your hair and scalp, smooths the hair cuticles, and makes your hair shiny. Here are the ingredients for the onion smell rinse: 2 tablespoons of dried lemon balm and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Place the lemon balm in a teapot and add 500 milliliters of hot water. Let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes and cool to a warm temperature. Strain it into a large jar. Add the lemon juice. After washing my hair, I will dilute this rinse with warm water and pour it over my scalp and the length of my hair. Lemon balm and lemon juice help neutralize the smell of onions and give a light freshness to the scalp. After 2 hours, I go to wash my hair. I'm lathering up my scalp. The foam cleans my hair. The second time, I wash the scalp first, then the length of the hair. Do this carefully. Do not rub your hair. Apply conditioner and leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, I dilute the conditioner with warm water to make about 2 or 3 liters of liquid. I pour the rinse over my scalp and the length of my hair. After my hair dries, I'll show you how it shines from using this mask. My hair has dried. I want to say that my scalp is clean, free of dandruff, it's moisturized and in excellent condition. My hair is soft. After all the onion masks, my hair is incredibly shiny. It's like a miracle.
Write in the comments if you have ever made onion hair masks and what your experience was like using them.
Regular use of this oil will speed up your hair growth and make your hair look more well-groomed and shiny. Use this mask twice a week to see great results. A homemade mask made from onion and herbs is a very affordable and effective way to treat your hair at home. If you are bothered by the smell, make the rinse according to the recipe from the video and the onion smell will definitely disappear in a short time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and click the bell to get notifications about new videos. Bye everyone!